Hello friends, how are you? Myself Rahul. I welcome you all in YouTube channel Edufy. Friends, today I have taken a question regarding trigonometry identities. Here it is mentioned tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 4. Then find out tan to the power 4 theta plus cot to the power 4 theta equal to q. We have to find out the value of this. Okay. Let us take what is given here. Given tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 4. It is given. Firstly, we will convert these two trigonometry ratio in the form of sin theta and cos theta. So we will mention here sin theta upon cos theta. We know that tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta plus cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta is equal to 4. Now having taken LCM of the denominator, it will be cos theta into sin theta. Now it will be sin square theta and this will be plus cos square theta equal to 4. It is the trigonometry identities sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is the value of sin square theta and cos square theta? Value of sin square theta and cos square theta will be 1 upon cos theta into sin theta is equal to 4. We can also mention 1 upon 4 is equal to cos theta into sin theta. Now we have to find out this one. So we will mention here tan to the power 4 theta plus cot to the power 4 theta. Now we can mention here sin to the power 4 theta upon cos to the power 4 theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So you can mention in this form plus cot theta is equal to cos to the power 4 theta upon sin to the power 4 theta. Having taken LCM will be cos to the power 4 theta into sin to the power 4 theta. It will be sin to the power 4 theta into 4 theta equal to sin to the power 8 theta plus cos to the power 8 theta. We can also mention in this form. Okay. Now sin to the power 8 theta plus cos to the power 8 theta upon cos to the power 4 theta into sin to the power 4 theta. We can also mention this in the form of sin power 4 theta whole square plus cos power 4 theta whole square upon cos power 4 theta into sin to the power 4 theta. Now we will convert this in the form of a square plus b square into a square plus b square plus 2ab. We have to convert this in the form of a plus b whole square. So we have to write this sin to the power 4 theta whole square plus cos to the power 4 theta whole square. We will add 2 sin to the power 4 theta into cos to the power 4 theta and we will subtract 2 sin to the power 4 theta into cos to the power 4 theta. It is the rule of mathematics. Whatever we are adding that will be subtract so that value can't be changed. Okay. हम इसलिए ऐड करेंगे, जो ऐड करेंगे वही सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे क्योंकि वैल्यू में कोई चेंज ना हो. ये मैथमेटिक्स का रूल होता है. अपॉन cos to the power 4 theta into sine to the power 4 theta. Now it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That will convert in the form of a plus b. We will consider that sine to the power 4 theta equal to a. If we will consider this one is a and this one is b, so then this will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we know that the formula of a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to, we know that a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is the formula of a square, a plus b whole square. So we can mention here sine to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta whole square, and this will be minus 2 sine to the power 4 theta into cos to the power 4 theta upon, this will be cos to the power 4 theta into sine to the power 4 theta. We can now here it is, we can also write sine square theta whole square. Sine to the power 4 theta may be converted in this form, and cos to the power 4 theta may be converted in this form, cos square theta whole square. Now we have a square plus b square, and we have to convert this in the form of a plus b whole square. For this we have to add 2 sine square theta into cos square theta minus whatever we are adding, that will be also subtracted. Now it will be minus 2 sine square theta into cos square theta, that will be whole square minus 2 sine to the power 4 theta into cos to the power 4 theta upon, it will be cos to the power 4 theta into sine to the power 4 theta. Now here it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write sine square theta plus cos square theta to the power 2 minus 2 sine square theta into cos square theta whole square minus, it will be 2 sine to the power 4 theta into cos to the power 4 theta upon, we can also write cos theta into sine theta to the power 4. Value of sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We can write it 1, and 1 square is equal to 1. It will be 2 sine theta into cos theta whole square. Now minus 2 sine whole square, it will be whole square, minus 2 sine to the power sine theta into cos theta to the power 4 upon cos theta into sine theta to the power 4. Now we will put the value of sine theta into cos theta. What is the value of sine theta into cos theta? Value of sine theta into cos theta is equal to 1 upon 4. So we will put the value, it will be 1 minus 2 multiply sine theta into cos theta is equal to 1 upon 4 whole square. That will be whole square minus 2 sine theta into cos theta is equal to 1 upon 4 to the power 4. Now it will be 1 upon 4 to the power 4. It will be 1 minus 2 multiply 1 upon 4 का whole square equal to 1 upon 16. That will be whole square minus 2 multiply 1 upon 4 to the power 4 equal to 256, and same here it will be 1 upon 256. Now it will be 1 minus 1 upon 8 whole square minus 1 upon 1 to 8. 2 will be, it will be 128 whole upon, it will be 156. Now it will be 7 upon 8 whole square minus 1 upon 28 whole upon 1 upon 256. Having taken LCM, it will be 128, it will be 128, sorry, LCM will be 128. 128 will be divided by 8 square means 64. So it will be 2. 64 2 ja 128. So and 7 square is equal to 49 will be multiplied by 2 minus 1 whole upon 128 divided by 1 upon 256. Now 49 2 ja 98 minus 1 multiplied by 256 and divided by 128. 128 2 ja 256. Now it will be 97 multiply 2 equal to 7 2 ja 14, 9 2 ja 4, 9 2 ja 18, 1 19. So the value of this 10 to the power 4 theta plus cot to the power 4 theta, theta is equal to 194. That is the answer. Write this.